Good morning, students. Electricity already we have taken. So in the electricity, I have not taken problems. Okay. Today we will look into some problems on electricity. This is very important. This will carry 14 marks. Okay. So in this electricity, I will read a question on electric lamp. Okay. One electric lamp is there. Uh, this is the resistance. This is a lamp. Okay, one electric lamp whose resistance is a 20 ohm. Okay, this is having a resistance, electric lamp with resistance as 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance. Okay, this is a conductor, this is a wire, this is of how much? 4 ohm resistance. Okay, are connected to a 6 volt battery. So this is connected to what? This is connected to a battery plus positive and negative polarity of how much? It's a 6 volt battery. Okay, and this is shown in the figure. Okay, everything these things are shown. A indicates what? Anybody? It is ammeter. Ammeter is used for measuring the current. Voltmeter is used for measuring the voltage. Understood? So this is a key. Okay, switch you can call. Okay, it should be a closed switch. Okay, this is the circuit they have given. This is for 4 marks. Okay, see once again on an electric lamp. This is having a resistance of 20 ohm and an electric conductor of 4 ohm resistance is connected to a 6 volt battery. Okay, this is the setup is there. They have asked about, you need to calculate the total resistance of a circuit. So first what we need to find? Any problem you have to look into these things only. What we need to find? So first we need to find about the total resistance of the circuit. So total resistance of the circuit. Okay, then second what we need to find? So current flowing in a circuit. So current flowing in the circuit, how much? Then third what we need to find? The potential difference across the electric lamp and a conductor. So you need to find out the potential difference. So V1 and V2 we need to find out potential difference across this electric lamp. What is the potential difference? And this conductor, what is the potential difference? Okay, V1 and V2 we need to find out. Okay, then solution. So see here the 4 ohm resistance and this is a 20 ohm resistance. Both are in. Okay, we have two types of a connection. One is series connection, another one is parallel connection. If check it out here, once again I will revise you. If the resistances are connected in series, R1 R2 is there. So how to find out its total equivalent resistance? You need to add it, that's it. R1 plus R2, you can add it. If it is parallel, so like this it is connected. This is R1 and this is R2. So how to find out? So this is the total equivalent resistance. You have to find 1 divided by R1 and 1 divided by R2. Okay, that is the equivalent resistance. You need to find out if it is in parallel, if it is in series. Okay. Now 4 ohm and 20 ohm are in series. So total resistance. So I will write. You can give R EOT total equal to anything you can, or R equivalent you can, 4 plus 20, so 24 ohm resistance. Okay, now you got this answer as total resistance is 24. So I will write one more circuit. So that is you got the equivalent resistance as in 24 ohm. So now the circuit is reduced to what? Only one type. Okay, plus minus 6 and this is switch ammeter, anything you can consider. This is 24 ohm. Correct? Equivalent resistance I call. So here you need to find out what is the current flowing in this circuit. Okay? What you need to find out the current flowing means it should be a closed path. Otherwise we can't find. Okay? The current I. So we know the Ohm's law. Okay? According to Ohm's law, we need to we need to find the current flowing in the circuit. So current I we need to find out. We have the relation according to Ohm's law. V is equal to I R. V is equal to I and R. So R means you have to take the total resistance. So I we want, so V divided by R. V is how much V? It is 6 volt. Resistance you got as 24. Okay? V is equal to IR. Current flowing in the circuit will be I is equal to V divided by R. So V is 6, R is 24. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Then 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 ampere we can say, or 0.25 ampere. So 0.25 ampere current is flowing in this circuit. That is the second part. In a third part, what we need to find out means what is the potential difference across the conductor and one more is there, conductor and across the lamp. So here V1 potential difference across the 4 ohm resistance. This is potential difference across the lamp V2. So we know the already Ohm's law. V is equal to IR is there. So here V1 we want to find. So V1 is equal to I into R1. This is I will consider as an R1. Current I already you got how much? 0.25 into resistance R1 is how much? It is 4. So 25 4s are is 1 volt because 25 into 4 is 100. So after 2 points decimal point it will be of 1 volt. Then V2 is equal to I into R2. I is again 0.25, R2 is 20. 20 into 25. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. So 5.00. So 5 volt. So V2 is 5, V1 is 6. So total supplied voltage is what? 6 volt. Okay. So V1 and V2. If we add both the things, it should be a 6. Yeah. 5 plus 1 is nothing but a 6. So we have supplied voltage is also a 6. So this 6 volt is dropped here as well as here. Understood? So V1 and V2. So potential or voltage drop across the conductor and an electric lamp. Okay now? This will carry a total 4 marks.